Hey, Mike Van Duzen, keep on growing. And nothing fancy today, just my sincere wish for you and your family to have a happy Thanksgiving. Um, no link in the description, or please subscribe or follow or watch this video or anything like that. Just have a wonderful day. And I know that these are tough times. You know, we have our ups and downs, and this is definitely one of the down times. And just remember that, no matter how bad we have it, that somewhere out there at this moment, someone's taking their last breath, and they would do anything to change places with you. So, as bad as we think we've got it, we still have a lot to be thankful for. And I'm thankful for all of you. I'm happy with where this channel's come and excited about where it's going. And we've got plenty of stuff planned. The Those of you who have jumped on board and are part of the experience and part of the course, you're not alone. I've got a lot of stuff planned for you. So a lot of stuff coming, and all of this is part of a bigger plan where we're just going to make the world a better place, and a better place for you, me, for everyone. And just to have so many people on board doing this is just heartwarming, and I couldn't have a better wish for Thanksgiving. So thank you, all of you. And like I said, nothing fancy in here. And I just want you guys to have an awesome day tomorrow, you and all of your families. And we've got a lot of stuff planned. It's going to be a lot of fun, and things are going to look up. So get out there and lift, inspire, keep on growing, be the change. Happy Thanksgiving.